Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix sending you from domain to Wix URL. So if you're having trouble redirecting or fixing a domain from your custom domain to a Wix URL, here's a step-by-step guide to help you. First, verify domain ownership on Wix. Go to your Wix account, sign in and navigate to Wix dashboard. Then go to settings, navigate to domains and here if your domain is not already connected, click connect a domain and follow the instructions to verify ownership. Wix might ask you to add verification code to your domain's DNS setting. If you want to link your custom domain to your Wix website, follow these steps. In your Wix account, go to settings, navigate to domains, click on add an existing domain button here on this page. Choose the option for connecting an existing domain and follow the instructions to connect it. You may need to log into your domain registrar where you purchase the domain and update your DNS records. Now, if your domain is registered with another provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, etc., log into your domain registrar's dashboard and look for the DNS settings. You need to update A records and CNAME records as follows. So set the A record to point to Wix IP address. For example, it could be 8.5.185.230.63.107. Now set the CNAME record to point to www and point it to wix.com. Follow the specific instructions from your domain registrar on how to update your DNS settings. Now, if you can see an error message such as this domain is not connected, double check the DNS settings are correctly pointing to Wix IP address and the CNAME to wix.com. Make sure there are no typos in the domain name and you have fully saved the DNS settings at your domain's registrar. If you are still encountering problems, contact Wix support or your domain provider for assistance with DNS configuration. If you want to forward traffic from your old Wix URL to your new custom domain, this usually requires going to settings, navigating to domains on the same page and under primary domain section, select your custom domains and Wix will automatically redirect all visitors from your old Wix URL to the custom domains. Now, if you have made recent changes to your domains or DNS settings, you can clear browser cache and cookies to ensure that you are seeing the latest version of your site. If the issue still persists, after following these steps, reach out to Wix support and they can assist in diagnosing DNS issues or guide you in troubleshooting the connection. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.